guys, thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be covering basic Visual Studio controls, what everything does, how to create a new application or project, and I'm also going to be covering in this series what we're going to be doing. I'm also going to cover, I've been saying cover a lot, we're also going to cover how to install Visual Studio. Alright, I think we should get started. Hey guys, sorry about the terrible volume in the last clip. I didn't feel like redoing it. Alright, so let's actually get started this time. Alright, now I'm going to be going over how to download Visual Studio. So it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go to visualstudio.com, and when you get here, click Download Community 2015. Or else if you're doing it at a different time, it'll say something else. Alright, and then it'll pop up this, click Save File, run it, and it will start. Press Run. By the way, this process takes a very long time, and it takes like 20 gigabytes of hard disk space. Well, I haven't installed, so you can't do that. But just leave everything how it is, right by default, and it should be fine. Right, so once you get started, once it's done installing and you've finished it, it should look like this. It may not be the exact same colors, but if you want to change the colors, make it darker. What is it under? I think it's View. No, it's not. I don't remember what it is. Options. It's under Tools, Options. No, it's not. What? Oh, yes, it is. And then where it says under General, color theme set to. There's blue. I don't really like the blue very much, though. I am a big blue fan. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Sound to Tools. And there's also the light theme, which isn't as bad, but I like it dark. It's all about personal preference, so I prefer it dark. Alright, in the next clip, I'm actually going to teach you how to code. That's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Okay, thank you for tuning in. Okay, thank you for tuning in this time. Now I'm actually going to be teaching you how to code something. We're going to be making a Hello World console application. To get started, press the New Project button, and if this, for some reason, not showing up, just press File, New, Project, and then make sure Visual C# is selected here. Click Console Application. You can name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Hello World, and I'm going to save it to here because this is help me keep these videos organized. Anyways, press OK. I'll create the project, and then sorry, I've dedicated a lot of my CPU to actually the video recording. Yet the output quality isn't even that good. So bear with me a little bit. Alright. And so you'll see this. Alright. This is where you're going to code your program. Inside of the static void main and yada yada yada. I'll get into this in a future video when I explain classes and whatnot like that. I will tell you what all of this means. It's actually pretty simple. Right, so as I said, we're going to be making a Hello World application. This is going to be a console application. And to run your program for the first, so after you create your program and you right, okay, I want to see what this is. Press start right here. And once you press start, it will start the application, but you'll see that flash and then it just goes away. So now let's start coding. Now you need to type in console dot print, or is it right? Yeah, right line. Right line. This will make a new line every time. Right won't create a new line. And then inside of this, you're gonna want. Don't worry, I'll explain everything in a future video. Inside of these two quotation marks, type in the message. So for the sake of this, I'm gonna type in Hello World, and then at the end of each line you need a followed by a semicolon. I will explain. I'll get more depth on that later. So now when you run your application, when you run it, you're not going to be able to see the message. It'll just go really quickly like before, but it's there. But now you're like, okay, I want to see it. So type in console dot. Sorry, I haven't made a console application forever now. So console.read key. What this is gonna do is it's gonna wait for the user to type in a key. So what this will do is when the user types in the key, this will return and it'll continue on to the next line, but there is nothing left. So what it'll do is the application will then exit. So let's press start and hello world. Now when you press any key, it goes away. So to help the user out, we could do this. We could make this say press any key to continue. There we go. Then what this will do is it will, right under hello world, it will say press any key to continue. I guess I could do the dot dot dot. It usually is. There you go. But now I want to get input from the user. Okay, that's cool. So it's very easy to do that. All you need to do is create a new variable, and wait, that's not it. You need to create a string, and you can call this whatever you want. Let's call it input equals then console dot read line. This will have the user type in something on a new line. Alright, and then anyways, now let's do console dot write line input, and then followed by this in the space. We're gonna do console dot. I'll explain all of this. Don't even worry. You're probably confused out of your mind. I'm just showing you how easy it is to program. We'll do this console dot write, and then we're gonna write the input, and let's see what it says. Alright, press any key to continue. That's supposed to happen. Yeah, it's supposed to happen, but it's not supposed to happen in the signal. Hold it. Let me move this. That's confusing. Alright, let me move this to the end, right before the console.read key. That's better. Alright, now, let's do this. Type in hello, my name is... I don't want to put my real name out, so I'm just going to say my name is Joe. And see, it says input, my name is Joe, press any key to continue. That didn't really work out. So, console.write. Let's do this. This should fix the issue. Alright, that should fix that issue. Let's see, did it? Hello. Input hello, press any key to continue. And there you go, you've made your first C# application for Windows. In probably the next video, I'm actually going to be teaching how to make a GUI, which is a graphical user interface. So they're actually you can have buttons in it, input fields, text, whatever you want. And that's really easy also. This is just to get you started. Alright, well thank you for tuning in. Bear with me, this is my second video, and the first one wasn't even on my computer. By the way, the terrible screen recording quality, I'm going to try to find a better recording software. This one is just for now. And if I can't find one, I'll just dedicate less memory, so my computer will run a little faster. Wait, I said memory, I meant CPU usage. So I'll dedicate less CPU usage to this application. Hopefully that won't speed this video up a little bit. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Goodbye. And hold on.